Well, hello, scientists out there. Hope you're having a good day. It's Wednesday morning. I had a rough yesterday. I was ill most of yesterday, but looking forward to some things. I want to let you know. Uh, by the way, the azaleas are beautiful right now, aren't they? Yeah, so I encourage you to get outside and enjoy the azaleas while you can. Hopefully, we'll take a quicker look or closer look at bees and their role in pollinating. I got some ideas for that, some video I've started working on for that. Um, on Thursday, we're going to do a live stream and feed Gary the corn snake. So I hope you'll take a chance and check in with us there. And then Friday, my daughter Kayla we're gonna do a science experiment on chemical changes, and we're looking forward to doing that. So if you're interested in that, I hope you'll join us on that. It's a beautiful day. Make sure you get outside and take a walk. Observe the clouds, observe the trees as they're blowing in the wind. Lots of good things going on out there. And look forward to talking to you some more soon about exploring the world around you. Take care.